Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the border of table cells in Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to change the border of table cells. Firstly, create a table in this page. Go to the Insert menu. Click the Table option and create a table. Now we can change the border of table cells. Select the table, press and drag on your mouse. Then go to the Design menu. Now we change the border of table cells. Click the Border Style option and choose a border this drop down menu. Then click the Borders option and choose All Borders. Now we can change the border color. Click the pen color and select any color this color panel. Then again click the borders and choose all border. Now we can see we change the border of table cells very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.